Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on tutorials point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can sign out from Play Store. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. Firstly, let me show you that I'm logged into my Play Store account. As you can see, I have this Gmail account logged in. Now, there is no option for you to log out through your Play Store app. But don't worry, I have a method in store for you. So what you have to do is go to your settings menu on your phone and then scroll down and find this accounts and sync option and click on it. Once you click on the account and sync option, you'll be guided to another page where there will be listed various things. Now, for what you'll have to do is scroll down and find this Google option, which will guide you to another page. Now it will be shown which accounts are logged in to your device and which will be in your Google Play Store. Now to log out of Google Play Store, all you have to do is click on the Gmail account that is logged into your Play Store and then click on this more option again and then click on this remove account button. You'll have to confirm it by clicking on this remove account button again. And that is it, you have been logged out of your Play Store app. As you can see, my Gmail has been changed from my Play Store app and I've been logged out from that Gmail. I hope this video helped you to sign out from the Google Play Store app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.